Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trunk motors is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, until it stops working, of course. A malfunctioning trunk motor can turn a simple task into a frustrating ordeal. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of automotive replacement trunk lid pull-down motors, exploring the top picks, and helping you make the right choice for your vehicle. Number 5. ACDelco 2588960 rear liftgate closing motor. This is the ACDelco GM Genuine Parts 2588960. It's designed for hands-free liftgate operation. This motor ensures your liftgate closes smoothly and efficiently. This part is specifically designed to fit certain vehicles. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your car. The package weight is just 2.4 pounds, making it easy to handle. It's a compact and efficient component for your vehicle. The package dimensions are 17.526 centimeters in length, 8.636 centimeters in height, and 13.97 centimeters in width. It's carefully packaged to protect the motor during shipping. This ACDelco part is made in China. It's manufactured to meet the high standards of ACDelco for quality and reliability. What we like. This ACDelco motor offers a vehicle-specific fit, ensuring a perfect match for your car. It's a genuine GM part, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you prioritize a direct replacement with the assurance of factory-level quality, you should consider this. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and worked exactly as described. The installation was straightforward and easy to do. The motor is a direct replacement and functions flawlessly. Number 4. Dorman 747-000 trunk lid pull-down motor. This trunk lid pull-down motor is designed to be a direct match. It fits and functions just like the original motor on your vehicle. It's a reliable solution. Is your trunk lid acting up? This replacement motor restores the original functionality. It's a dependable fix for a cracked or failing motor. Built to last, this part is made from quality materials. This ensures reliable performance and a long service life. You can count on it. Backed by a team of experts, this product has a century of automotive experience behind it. You can trust its quality and performance. To guarantee a perfect fit for your car, use the garage tool. Simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level to confirm compatibility. What we like. Dorman's motor is a direct replacement, designed to match the original. It restores functionality, fixing issues caused by internal component fatigue. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting solution to get your trunk working again, this is a great choice. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and easy to install. The motor works great and the trunk now closes properly. The design is an exact match to the original. Number 3. Dorman 747-002 trunk lid pull-down motor. This trunk lid pull-down motor is designed to be a direct match. It fits and functions just like the original motor on specific vehicles. It's a reliable solution. Is your trunk lid not working properly? This replacement motor can fix that. It's a dependable solution for motors that have failed or cracked. This part is built to last. It's made from quality materials, ensuring reliable performance and a long service life. You can count on it. Backed by a team of experts, this product offers trustworthy quality. With over a century of automotive experience, you can be confident in its performance. Make sure this part fits your car perfectly. Use the garage tool to enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. This will guarantee a perfect fit. What we like. This Dorman motor is a direct replacement, designed for specific Lincoln models. It restores functionality, fixing issues caused by internal component fatigue. If you own a Lincoln and need a dependable trunk lid pull-down motor, this is the one for you. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and easy to install. The motor works great and the trunk now closes like new. The product was exactly what I needed and works perfectly. Number 2. Solera RV awning replacement motor. This replacement motor is designed for compatibility. It works with most Solera power awning options, including flat, pitched, and short assemblies. This ensures a wide range of use. Installation is simple with minimal components and user-friendly engineering. Campers can quickly replace their old motors without any hassle. It's designed for ease of use. Even in a power failure, you can still operate your awning. This motor is built to be manually extracted or retracted with a cordless power drill. It offers convenience and flexibility. Built with a heavy-duty finish, this 12-volt DC, 75 revolutions per minute motor is made for longevity. You can extract and retract your awning day after day, worry-free. It's built to last. Powered by a name campers trust. This motor is made for Solera power awnings built before July 15, 2015. It also features a single two-way black connector. What we like. This Solera replacement motor offers a universal fit, working with most Solera power awning options. It's designed for easy installation, minimizing hassle. If you're a camper looking for a convenient and reliable awning motor, this is a great choice, especially if you value the ability to operate your awning even without power. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and works great. The motor assembly was an exact replacement and the installation was easy. The product works as designed. Number 1. Somfy Sonesse Ultra 30 Wire-Free Shade Motor. This is the Somfy Sonesse Ultra 30, a wire-free shade motor. It's a convenient and efficient solution for your window coverings. With its wire-free design, installation is a breeze. It eliminates the need for complicated wiring, making it perfect for any home. This motor is powered by a 12V rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliable operation. The RTS technology allows for remote control operation. You can easily control it from anywhere in your home. It comes with a free 1.5 crown drive. It's a complete package, ready to enhance your shades. The model number is 1003310. It is designed for optimal performance and ease of use. What we like. This Somfy motor is wire-free, offering a clean and modern look. It's rechargeable, eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. If you like the convenience of a wireless, rechargeable shade motor, this is the perfect option. What people say. The product was a perfect fit and works great. The part was exactly what I needed and works perfectly. The motor assembly was easy to install and works great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.